Welcome to the historic blizzard of 2009 here in Amarillo, Texas. You can believe about 7 or 8 hours ago I was watching a tornado in Monte County. Now I'm up here in Amarillo, and you're coming from where?
Fort Worth, Texas.
Where are you headed to?
San Francisco, California.
When are you supposed to be out in San Francisco?
I was hoping to be there on Saturday at 12 noon because I have an appointment.
When did you know you were going to be stranded?
I didn't know that. We left Fort Worth, Texas at 6 a.m. and we were driving. Everything looked good, and my partner says to me, "Hey, look, there's some snow and some cars." I said, and then we were on 40 right at the stop, and we saw all the truckers stopping, and we just stayed on the line and didn't want to divert. And also we saw the police officers say we have to turn left or turn right.
What are your plans for trying to leave tomorrow?
Well, you gave me a site to check, so that's what our room is facing I-40, so we can see what's going to happen. But I'm gonna look at the site, and I pay attention to 10 o'clock news to see what we want to head forth, So if there's any way that we can go, any diversions, detours to take, we'll take it,
Okay. And this is what happens when it all melts off at once.